Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skate 3 with your friends on Xbox. First, make sure both you and your friends have an active Xbox Live Gold subscription, which is essential for online multiplayer. Next, confirm your Xbox console is connected to a reliable internet source. Once those are set, simply launch the Skate 3 game and proceed to the main menu to begin setting up your session. Once you're in the main menu, select the Freak Out option to dive into the multiplayer modes. From there, you'll want to choose Online Free Skate, which allows you to either host a new session or join an existing one. To get your friends involved, simply send them game invites through the Xbox Live system. They'll receive a notification and can join your game with ease. If a friend has invited you, simply accept their game invitation through the Xbox Live notification system. This will automatically connect you to their session. Alternatively, if you're looking to join without an invite, you might find a Join Session option within the Online Free Skate menu, allowing you to browse available games. Always ensure both players are running the same game version for smooth compatibility. Once you're connected, you and your friends can explore the expansive world of Port Carverton together in free skate mode, performing tricks and discovering new spots. You can also participate in various challenges and competitive events to test your skills against each other. Don't forget to use the in-game communication features to coordinate your lines and tricks, making your multiplayer experience even more engaging and fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.